Take an empty tray and one of the emergency airway and transfer pack stock lists. You're going to make 2 packets, one of which gets sealed inside a bigger packet. And to start with, we'll pack the inner packet, which is the difficult airway pack. So you take a difficult airway pack sheet, and then you're going to stock this inner pack with the lower checklist. So that includes a BVM or ambu bag, McGill's forceps, sachet of lubricating jelly, size 6 nasopharyngeal tube which has a green top, size 7 nasopharyngeal airway which has a orange top, and then 3 sizes of eye gel, 3 which is yellow, 4 which is green, and 5 which is orange. What we would call a ChloroPrep lollipop, scalpel, and the number on the scalpel should either be 22 or 10, and then a size 6 endotracheal tube, and the size is found ID 6.0. It's just one size 6 for the inside pack. This then is sealed.
You've got the stuff for your difficult airway pack, and you need to get your roll of plastic and just put everything inside that plastic roll. Everything you put. We're going to leave this checklist out for a minute because that's going to go in the outer pack. And this label just needs to be placed so that it can be read through the plastic. So make sure it's on the outside. Okay, now this is the heat sealer. If I just show you where this brown strip is, that's where it actually gets sealed. And this bit here is the cutter. So what you want to make sure is you seal it and then cut beyond. So with it that way round, put the edge of the plastic through the sealer. And then without touching it, bring it down, press it down to seal it, and then just bring the cutter across to cut the edge off and up. That's your waste, and that end is now sealed. So what you're going to do now is shake this down, and then you're going to seal the other end. But what you want to do is make sure this turns round, so you're sealing the edge and then cutting. Okay, so again, just make sure that you're sealing the bag and then cutting off the excess. So sealer here, cutter there. So bring the arm down. And then cut it off. And that's your difficult airway pack, that's your inner pack.
So for the outer pack, which is the main pack, we use the same checklist, but we're using the top half of the checklist. We'll start with a pre-anaesthetic checklist. Oxygen nasal cannulae. This is labelled as a waters circuit on the checklist. It also says Mapleson C bagging system. It's green. 2 sizes of mask, 1/4 with the green widget, 1/5 with the orange widget. 3 sizes of oropharyngeal airway, size 2 green, size 3 orange, size 4 red, and then a laryngoscope pack which has a handle, a Macintosh 3 and a Macintosh 4 blade, which is sealed independently. They will need to be made up separately. An eye view laryngoscope that doesn't need to be in a pack. An adult yanker. A size 15 bougie, and you are looking for 15 CH, which is a 15 French. That's an adult size bougie. 2 endotracheal tubes, one size 7, also seen here, and one size 8. Sachet of lubricating jelly, 10mm syringe, catheter mount. This is called HEPA filter, end-tidal CO2 sampling line, which says gas sampling line. This is called closed suction, and it's either 12 or 14 French. It looks like this. Tube tie, and a plastic bag. What you then do before packaging all of this and the difficult airway pack you've already made is you sign your name clearly and put the date at which you did the picking and the packing.